Hello, thank you for stopping to watch my video. Tomorrow is April 15th. Think of how much money you could have been saving for 2024 with the Tax Shield Method. If you are a U.S. business owner, entrepreneurs, 1099 income earners, you could be saving so much money. If you're an investor, I would help you save you taxes. If you're a investor, you could be saving so much money in taxes. The tax shield method is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on two separate occasions, and both times it's been favored. You can't get more legal than this. My goal is to help U.S. investors save taxes on profits, U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, U.S. franchisee owners, and U.S. 1099 income earners who are making at least $100,000 a year save five figures in taxes. If you want to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, I'll take you out to NerdWallet, a free website to show you the formula for federal taxes. I'll also look up your state income taxes where you'll no longer pay those too. Most people have never heard of this. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England, and they went further back into history to the Magna Carta and said, "Oh, no, King Henry VIII, you can't do this." It's contract law that came to the colonies while we were still part of England. The law firm I work on behalf of inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023. Our current tax structure that we are under went into effect February of 1913, and the only thing it has done is grown and grown and grown. The uber-rich families of 1913, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, the Kennedys, and the Rockefellers made sure they could save taxes. Well, if they can save taxes, we can save taxes. My personal story, it's in 2019 with my mentor Jay Tenenbaum, I wholesaled 7 bank-owned properties nationwide and paid off $184,000 in debt. I had $50,000 sitting in my bank account, but I didn't realize my tax bracket went from 22% to 24%. On April 4th of 2020, my CPA called me to tell me I owed $94,000 in short-term capital gains. Remember, that's the start of COVID. 3 of my properties didn't pay me on April 1st. I had to get on a payment plan with the IRS. It's COVID. I didn't have to drive an hour each way to work, so I purposely researched how the rich save taxes. I now work for a private law firm that has the copyright on the Benson Financial Trust. Paul Benson was a Harvard law professor who wrote 5 specific trusts to save you specific taxes. The business trust is for U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, franchisee owners, and 1099 income earners. You will save at least 90% on income taxes and no longer pay state income taxes, year after year, generation after generation. The beneficial trust is for all U.S. investors. You will stop paying any profits on. You will stop paying taxes on any profits. You will no longer pay capital gains taxes, interest income taxes, dividend income taxes, rental income taxes, and royalty income taxes. You're not tax-free. You're saving very specific taxes. When I post this video, you will have a way to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. Again, I want to teach this to as many people as possible. I got lucky, and the last house I just wholesaled, I got to save $10,593 in short-term capital gains. How much will you save when you wholesale or when you have a business? One of my clients, who I just talked to today, is going to be saving at least $80,000 a year in federal and state income taxes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new. Set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. Take care. You learned something new? Set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. Take care.